Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new video. I'm super excited today because I got the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, I got this gifted to me from my sister, which is really nice of her. I've always wanted this. It's been out for a while now. Before this I was using my 13 Pro and I had that for years, like 4 or 5 years now. And yeah, so I really wanted the 17, so I got the 17 Pro Max in the silver, and I'm just gonna do an unboxing for you. It From looking at it, it looks amazing. It looks really good. So let's do unboxing. You could, as Apple boxes, you could feel the engraving of the phone there on the front there, with the brand new camera layout here. Flash your LiDAR. This is the silver. You get it in orange, you can get it in blue, but I like the silver better because the contrast of the black of the camera and the silver here. So let's open this, and another green pull tab there. Take it out, and there you can see the iPhone 17 Pro Max in all its glory there. Put that down to one side there. You have your USB is Type C now, because I'm so used to Lightning, but this is now USB Type C cable now. So it's Type C to Type C. And the wire is it feels different. It's like different ridged texture to it. And you also have your famous SIM ejector tool there. And inside the box, just have your leaflet and paperwork there. And the box is very thin. It's very... Now, this is the, what is 140, yeah. Put that back here. There you can see me there through the lens there. You can see that's your flash and your LiDAR and your little microphone there. You got your sides there, which it reminds me of, I think it was iPhone 5, was it, with this coloring or something. That's your protector for the screen. Take that off. And there we go. And it also features the dynamic island, which the dynamic island came out with the iPhone 14 Pro series. It came out with 14 Pro and onwards. And yeah, the dynamic island is gonna be good. You could just see the Apple logo there, just in the middle there. I actually do like the new camera layout. It's quite good, and it's your 3 cameras, which I think are the same size as the 13 Pro onwards, I think it is. Because I remember when I had my iPhone 11, the cameras were very small. The iPhone 12, it was very small. 12 Pro Max, it went a little bit bigger. 13 went big. So yeah, this is really good. Now, this phone is competes well with the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now my sister bought that one, and I then she gave me this one because she bought two, and so yeah, I'm very lucky to actually have this. It was gifted to me, so I didn't pay for it at all. Um, I think they cost 1,200. I think it is, and I think same with the S26. I think that's about £1,000. So yeah, I'm very lucky to have this. That I didn't pay for it or nothing. So yeah, I'm just gonna get my screen protector on there, and I'm gonna get the clear case on there. Yeah, I like the clear case because with the clear case you can actually see. Yeah, because yeah, so that's why I like the clear case. Um, but yeah, really, really good. Yeah, yeah, really happy that I got it. And yeah, let me know if I'm just gonna go set it up later, and I'm gonna film another video of this and tell you how I get on with it. But I really like it, I really do. I've seen loads of people have iPhone 17 when I'm out and about traveling, when I'm going to work on the train or something. I always see people with 17, and it's always the 17 Pro with the camera like this. I haven't really seen people with the, with the two cameras like that, or with the that I think is the camera goes on this long ways that way. I haven't really seen that, but yeah, I'm gonna set this up now, and yeah, yeah, very grateful that I got this. This September the 18 is coming out. I don't know what they're gonna do with the iPhone 18. Probably change. I don't know what they're gonna change. Maybe brand new colors of it. I don't know. But yeah, yeah, very glad to have this. So what I'm gonna, yeah, I'll set it up and I'll come back in the next video, and yeah, cool, very excited. So thank you very much for watching today. I know it's been a while since I last uploaded. I just haven't had time more to do YouTube, but I really want to come back to YouTube, and yeah, yeah, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care, bye.